Let's check out this problem from the new digital SAT math section. This problem is asking you about the number of solutions in a quadratic equation. So let's read the question first. We have x squared minus 34x plus c is equal to 0. In the equation, c is a constant. Remember, constant just means that it has a value and it's not a variable. The equation has no real solutions if c is greater than n. What is the least possible value of n? So, do you remember how to figure out how many solutions there are to a quadratic? We have to look at the discriminant. That is the part of the quadratic formula that is underneath the radical. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. And what are the rules for this? Well, if the discriminant is positive, if it's greater than 0, then there are two real solutions. If the discriminant is equal to 0, there's one real solution. And if the discriminant is less than 0, there are no real solutions. So we're going to figure out what the discriminant is. First, let's figure out what a, b, and c are. A is the number in front of x squared. There's nothing there, but really there's a 1 there. B is the value in front of x. So in this case, it's negative 34. And c is the constant, and in this case, c is just c. So we are looking at no real solution, so we're going to set it less than 0. Let's work this out. We have negative 34 squared minus 4ac has to be less than 0. So 34 squared is 1156. Don't forget you have easy access to a calculator on the digital SAT. Minus 4c is less than 0. We're going to solve for c, so we add 4 to both sides. 1156 is less than 4c, dividing by 4, and we have c is greater than 289. So now we're just going to take a look up here. It says c is greater than n. Well, that would mean that n has to equal 289.